It was totally preventable. Yes. Not that we needed security to stop anybody, or a police force or the National Guard or atomic bombs. We needed the goddamn CTA mismanagement to allow these switchmen who work in the yard to clock in at the yard where they work, as opposed to 2 or 3 blocks away at the terminal where the operations side is, where the operators are.
Mm.
And these switchmen have been complaining to these scumbags who call themselves our bosses. They're nothing but slave driving scum. And they've been telling them it's unsafe at the terminal. It's unsafe. It's an ocean of desperate people strung out on drugs, people who are suffering all kinds of ailments, self-medicating, buying the medication, shooting up, shooting each other. It's a mess. And they said it's dangerous here. It's dangerous. And you know what the scumbag manager said? They said, well, one of y'all were tampering with the time clock in the yard there at the shanty, and well, we're gonna punish all of you and make you tap in and tap out on the time clock at the operation site a couple blocks away in that den of destitute and depression. And they're like, this isn't safe for us. And lo and behold, one of our brothers is almost blown away, shot in the chest, was critical condition. Now he's stable. The other one, his mind is all messed up because his head was almost blown off.